Multiply 5.22 by 42 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. The first partial product is 1044. Now use the next digit to the left, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. The second partial product is 20,880. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 4 plus 8 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the thousands column, 1 plus 0 is 1. In the 10,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 21,924. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 21,924 becomes 219.24. So 5.22 times 42 is 219.24.